Soft winds rise through the hollow glade. A trembling leaf, as shadows cascade. The earth hums low, the sky turns jade. Echoes whisper far and near, through the stillness sharp and clear. The horizon calls, no need to fear. Golden streams, the sun pours down on craggy cliffs and a weathered ground. Each step we take, we claim this ground. Drums of thunder, hearts collide through the vast where dreams reside. An endless rhythm, a boundless tide. Fade to silence, the world takes flight. A fleeting moment lost in light. The echoes linger day to night.
Into the Heavenly Realm, starring Nraug Hli, Nkauj Hnub. One hot, exhausting evening, Nraug Hli trudged home from work. His body ached, his mind heavy. As he stepped inside, he collapsed onto his bed, and the world faded. When he opened his eyes, he was no longer in his small room. He floated in a place of dazzling light and soft mist, a heavenly realm, ethereal and vast, where colors shimmered like living stars. Before him stood a girl, breathtakingly beautiful. Her long hair glimmered like moonlight, her eyes holding both kindness and sorrow. "I'm Nkauj Hnub," she whispered, smiling softly. For a moment, Nraug Hli forgot everything: fatigue, worry, reality. He followed her into the shimmering valleys and sparkling streams. But all was not peaceful. Shadows slithered among the radiant light. Dark spirits lurked, whispering promises of fear. Monsters with twisted forms slinked in the mist, hungry for any wandering soul. Nkauj Hnub held his hand, guiding him. "Do not look away. Evil thrives in fear," she warned. Together, they faced the spirits, some cunning, some grotesque. Every step into the heavenly realm tested their courage, their hearts, and their bond. Yet the more danger they faced, the closer they became. Nraug Hli realized that this realm, though beautiful, was also alive with trials, and that love itself could be the strongest shield against the darkness. But the heavenly realm is not just a dream. Whispers of spirits, of past wanderers, reminded him that leaving it might not be simple, and some monsters never truly sleep. In that luminous, dangerous world, Nraug Hli and Nkauj Hnub had only one choice: survive together or be consumed by the evils that hide within the light.